Brian and Lisa arrive at the jungle's border, where the air vibrates with unseen energy. The trees emanate a soft, ethereal glow, their marble patterns mesmerizing in the diffused light. The jungle pulses with otherworldly energy, beckoning Brian and Lisa into its luminous depths. The border between worlds blurs as they step into the neon-lit unknown. The air itself seems alive, humming with a symphony of unseen forces. Their journey begins at the edge of the bioluminescent dream. The explorers step further into the jungle's heart, where the magic of bioluminescence wanes. With each step, the ethereal glow of the plants fades, casting long, haunting shadows. The dimming light deepens the melancholic atmosphere. Spirits dampened, they continue deeper. The air grows heavy with unspoken anxieties. The jungle seems to close in, a silent omen. A tiny hummingbird arrives, carrying a miniature map. The hummingbird flits, beckoning them forward. It dances, a guide leading toward the unknown. The tiny messenger hovers, urging them onward. A silent invitation to follow into the neon light. Lost within the jungle's embrace, Lisa is surrounded by a sea of green, her brow furrowed in thought. Sunlight streams through the dense canopy, casting a mosaic of light and shadow around Lisa. Lisa's focus intensifies as she traces the map's ancient lines, seeking direction in the wild. Her voice echoes softly, "This must be our guide." With newfound resolve, Lisa lifts her head, ready to follow the map's silent promise. Beneath the vibrant sky, Brian prepares for his daring leap across the neon river. With a surge of adrenaline, Brian propels himself forward, soaring through the air. Mid-flight, the neon river glows beneath him, a ribbon of vibrant light. Brian reaches the apex of his swing, the opposite bank drawing near. With a final burst of strength, Brian lands safely on the other side, the neon river now behind him. Under the electric glow of the riverbank, Lisa's anxiety is a palpable shroud, each shadow deepening her concern. Her voice cuts through the night, a desperate plea carried on the humid air. "Be careful, Brian." Each ripple in the water mirrors the turmoil in Lisa's heart, the neon reflections dancing like mocking flames. The silence that follows her cry is heavier than before, the river's murmur amplifying her fear. Lisa stands in awe before the ancient tree, its branches like twisted arms reaching towards the heavens. The tree's bark is alive with glowing runes, each pulse a whisper of forgotten magic. Her eyes trace the intricate patterns of the runes, seeking a hidden meaning. The ancient tree stands, its glowing runes pulsating with soft light. Sunlight barely breaks through the dense jungle canopy, casting a mystical glow on Lisa as she seeks answers. Lisa's brow furrows as she deciphers the ancient stone tablet. The dappled shadows of the jungle dance across the stone, as if mocking her quest. "These are riddles," Lisa murmurs, her voice echoing in the stillness of the jungle. "Seek petals where shadows dance at noon," she reads, the words hanging in the humid air. The ancient riddle whispers of petals and shadows, a path veiled in mystery. In the heart of the jungle, Brian seeks Lisa amid the dense foliage. Sunlight drizzles through the canopy, painting fleeting patterns on the jungle floor. Brian catches up to Lisa, his anticipation growing with each step. "What did you find?" Brian asks, his voice echoing in the stillness. Sunlight pierces the dense jungle canopy, painting the forest floor with shifting patterns of light and shadow. Her voice echoes through the dense foliage. "We need to find a place where shadows dance at noon." The air hangs heavy with the promise of secrets, hidden deep within the emerald embrace of the jungle. A determined glint sparks in her eyes, a silent vow to unearth the mysteries concealed within nature's labyrinth. At the bramble maze entrance, an ominous glow emanates from the thorns, casting an eerie light on the path ahead. The twisty bramble maze looms, a labyrinth of thorns promising a daunting journey. They pause, the dense, twisty bramble maze daring them to enter its depths. The entrance beckons, the promise of adventure tinged with the threat of the thorns' ominous glow. Deep within the bramble maze, Brian and Lisa venture forth, their bioluminescent gear casting an ethereal glow. The tangled thorns claw at them as they navigate deeper into the maze's heart. Their lights dance across the thorny walls, revealing the maze's intricate and menacing design. Whispers echo around them, intensifying the eerie silence of the maze. Each step deeper into the maze brings more uncertainty, the bioluminescent lights their only solace. Shadows flicker around them, playing tricks on their eyes as the maze seems to close in. The bramble maze is bathed in a soft, ethereal glow, its thorny branches reaching skyward. Tiny fireflies emerge, their mischievous dance dimming the lights. The maze transforms into a shadowy labyrinth, its secrets deepening with the encroaching twilight. A sense of mystery fills the air. The fireflies flit closer, their light almost imperceptible. The maze is plunged into deeper darkness, its paths obscured. The bramble maze stands as a labyrinth of thorny vines, its density promising both mystery and menace. Fireflies dance erratically, their fleeting lights painting the air with ephemeral shadows. The air hangs heavy, a palpable blend of damp earth and decaying leaves filling every breath. In the heart of the maze, Brian's voice cuts through the stillness. "We need to protect our lights." His words echo, a desperate plea against the encroaching darkness and unseen threats. The fireflies seem to respond, their lights flickering brighter as if in solidarity. Emerging from the bramble maze, their eyes reflect a blend of relief and disorientation. The maze looms behind them, a silent testament to their harrowing journey. A shared glance confirms their resolve. The ordeal has only strengthened their bond. They step forward, leaving the maze behind, their silhouettes outlined against the horizon. The open field stretches before them, a fresh canvas for their next adventure. They begin to walk, their figures shrinking against the vastness of the open world. A hummingbird dances like a jewel in the air, its iridescent wings catching the faint sunlight. The tiny guide leads toward a hidden path, almost swallowed by the jungle's dense embrace. Sunlight struggles to pierce the canopy, painting the jungle floor with fleeting patterns of light and shadow. The hummingbird hovers at the entrance to the hidden path, beckoning entry into the unknown. The waterfall appears, its cascading waters radiating an ethereal glow. Sunlight catches the mist, creating rainbows in the air. They stand in awe before nature's majesty, a symphony of water and light. The air vibrates with the roar of the falling water, a powerful, raw energy. The scene is bathed in a soft, magical light, a hidden sanctuary revealed. A curtain of water cascades down, concealing secrets behind. A dark maw reveals itself, an entrance to the unknown. They halt, discovering the hidden cave, the air heavy with damp earth and ancient mysteries. The air around the cave whispers tales of long-forgotten lore. The scent of damp earth fills their senses, a primal invitation to explore. Ancient secrets beckon, luring them into the heart of the jungle's embrace. At the mouth of Sunbloom's cave, the entrance looms, beckoning them into the unknown. They step across the threshold, the air thick with unspoken expectations. Sunbloom's cave stands silent, waiting. They venture deeper, the darkness swallowing them whole. The cave pulls them further from the light. The atmosphere hangs heavy, charged with the weight of what lies ahead. In the depths of Sunbloom's cave, a faint, radiant glow hints at the flower's distant presence. A formidable rockfall stands as an impassable barrier, its jagged edges casting long, ominous shadows. The cave's path is now a maze of stone and shadow. The Sunbloom seems forever out of reach. Deep within Sunbloom's cave, a colossal rock sloth stirs from its age-long slumber. The guardian of the flower awakens, its movements slow and deliberate. The cave echoes with the sound of stone grinding against stone as the beast fully rises. Its ancient eyes blink open, adjusting to the dim light of the cave. A low growl rumbles from its chest, a sound that shakes the very foundations of the cave. The guardian stands vigilant, ready to protect the sunbloom from any who dare approach. Sunlight pierces through the cracks of Sunbloom's cave, illuminating the stillness. Lisa stands in the dim light, whispers echoing through the chamber. "That's our guardian," Lisa whispers, her voice filled with awe. The cave responds with silence, the dust motes continuing their dance. A sense of ancient presence fills the cave, as if the very stones hold secrets. At Sunbloom's cave, Brian starts his distracting acrobatic display. The rock sloth watches, intrigued by Brian's sudden movements. Brian flips through the air, captivating the rock sloth. The rock sloth remains distracted, its attention fully on Brian's performance. Brian continues jumping, maintaining the rock sloth's captivated gaze. Inside Sunbloom's cave, Lisa ventures into the depths, her gaze sweeping across the cavern floor, seeking the cave's hidden treasures. She kneels, a gentle reverence in her posture, as she begins to gather the scattered, glowing orbs. The orbs pulse with a soft, warm light, bathing her face in an ethereal glow. The cavern is illuminated by the gentle light, each orb a beacon of otherworldly beauty. Inside Sunbloom's cave, Lisa meticulously prepares her setup, each glow orb a spark of hope in the dim expanse. She arranges the glow orbs with care, the subtle light dancing across her focused face. The glow orbs begin to mimic the sun, a fragile imitation designed to deceive. Near the cave entrance, the illusion takes shape, a beacon of false hope in the encroaching darkness. Inside the cave, the sunbloom flower stirs, sensing the light. A delicate unfurling begins, its petals responding to the artificial sun. Slowly, the flower yields, its petals gradually revealing their inner beauty. The sunbloom continues to unfurl, deceived by the false dawn. In full bloom, the flower basks in the artificial sunlight, unaware of the deception. Sunbloom's cave awakens as light pours into the jungle, breathing life into every plant and creature. The jungle floor explodes with color as vibrant blooms unfurl, welcoming the sun's golden touch. Creatures emerge from their slumber, their eyes gleaming with newfound vitality. A symphony of chirps and rustles fills the air, nature's chorus celebrating the dawn's arrival. The leaves shimmer with dew, reflecting the sun's radiant glow, creating a mesmerizing dance of light. Sunbloom's cave thrives, its energy renewed, ready to embrace another day of life and wonder. The jungle's canopy blazes, a symphony of light and life. Every leaf, every vine, pulses with renewed vitality. The air vibrates with an intoxicating sense of freedom. A wave of relief washes over the landscape. The vibrant colors of the jungle amplify, painting a masterpiece of nature's resilience. The jungle breathes again, filled with joy. Sunlight pierces the jungle's dense canopy, painting the vibrant clearing in shimmering light. A symphony of buzzing, chirping, and rustling fills the air as creatures gather in anticipation. The jungle awakens as the pollen party begins, a dance of life and color under the warm sun. A flurry of colorful pollen fills the air, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Nature's celebration unfolds, a vibrant display of life and harmony in the heart of the jungle. In the heart of the jungle, Brian and Lisa share a triumphant smile. Their eyes meet, reflecting the shared success of their journey. A moment of quiet satisfaction washes over them. The jungle fades into the background as their bond strengthens. Their mission accomplished, they stand ready for whatever comes next. Beneath the emerald canopy, Brian and Lisa embark on an extraordinary journey homeward, astride a giant, gentle beetle. They bid a fond farewell to the jungle, their figures silhouetted against the vibrant foliage. The beetle lumbers forward, carrying its precious passengers towards the horizon. A symphony of rustling leaves and chirping insects fills the air as they venture deeper into the unknown. The jungle watches as the unlikely trio disappears into the distance, leaving behind a trail of wonder and adventure. Whispers of their escapade echo through the trees, becoming a legend in the heart of the wilderness. The jungle pulsates with vibrant life, a symphony of green stretching to the horizon. Bioluminescent flora casts an ethereal glow across the jungle floor, painting the scene with otherworldly light. Nature's resilience blossoms in every corner, a testament to the enduring power of life. The air hums with unseen energy, a palpable sense of vitality permeating the jungle's embrace. Shadows dance and intertwine with light, creating a mesmerizing tapestry of contrasts. The jungle breathes, a living entity teeming with secrets and wonders. The jungle teems with life, a symphony of creatures united in joy. Sunlight filters through the canopy, casting a golden glow on the happy scene. A gentle breeze rustles the leaves, carrying whispers of contentment through the air. The air vibrates with the collective harmony of the jungle's inhabitants, a chorus of pure bliss. The jungle pulses with life, a vibrant tapestry of creatures bound by a shared sense of happiness. Sunlight barely breaches the jungle canopy, casting the world in a hazy glow. Thick vines dangle like emerald curtains, obscuring the secrets within. The air hangs heavy, a symphony of unseen creatures echoing through the dense foliage. Brian's triumphant shout pierces the humid air. "We did it!" His voice echoes through the dense jungle. The jungle remains silent, absorbing his exclamation. The jungle pulses with vibrant life, a symphony of green under the watchful sun. Thick humidity hangs heavy, a palpable curtain veiling the secrets within. Lisa, her voice echoing with determination, breaks the jungle's silence. Together, her cry is both a challenge and a promise, resonating through the dense foliage. The jungle holds its breath, awaiting the next chapter of their journey. Sunlight pierces the dense jungle canopy, painting the forest floor with shifting patterns of light and shadow. The air hangs heavy, thick with a palpable humidity that drenches every leaf and vine. A shared joke sparks a moment of pure, unrestrained joy. Their laughter echoes through the trees, a harmonious blend with the jungle's symphony. The jungle seems to respond, its vibrant life pulsating in rhythm with their mirth. The moment hangs suspended, a perfect harmony of human joy and natural wonder. The sun bloom stands radiant, a beacon of life in the heart of the jungle. Delicate petals unfurl, revealing the bloom's vibrant heart, teeming with life. The flower sways gently, a silent dance with the sun's golden rays. The air hums with the buzz of tiny wings as insects gather to drink its nectar. Each detail tells a story of resilience, of beauty forged in the wild. The sun bloom is a testament to the jungle's enduring strength. Sunlight pierces through the dense jungle canopy, igniting the humid air with a golden glow. A hummingbird, a jewel of the jungle, dances on wings of pure energy, its presence a burst of vibrant life. It sips nectar from flowers bursting with color, each bloom a tiny universe of sweet delight. The air vibrates with the cheerful chirping of the hummingbird, a symphony of life resonating through the tranquil jungle. The tranquil jungle is filled with the hummingbird's melody, a serene backdrop to nature's vivid display. The sprawling jungle stretches endlessly, a symphony of green under the watchful eye of the sun. Sunlight pierces the dense canopy, creating an ethereal dance of light and shadow on the forest floor. The jungle pulses with life, unseen creatures rustling within its verdant depths. An untamed wilderness where nature reigns supreme. The air hangs heavy with moisture, nurturing the vibrant ecosystem. In the heart of the jungle, an unexpected serenity dawns, as a rock sloth unveils a smile of pure joy. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, illuminating the sloth's peaceful expression. The jungle holds its breath, captivated by the sloth's radiant contentment. The sloth's smile deepens, reflecting a profound sense of inner peace and acceptance. The jungle awakens as the fireflies ignite the night with their friendly glow. The bright, friendly light of fireflies illuminates the jungle. Friendly lights dance in the air. The jungle is now filled with friendly lights. The fireflies' glow provides a comforting light. The friendly lights offer a sense of hope. Deep in the heart of the jungle, a silent understanding passes between Brian and Lisa. Their eyes meet, revealing a shared secret amid the dense foliage. A knowing glance seals their silent pact, hidden from the world. In the humid air of the jungle, their unspoken connection intensifies. The dense jungle canopy casts shadows over their conspiratorial exchange. A shared glance is all it takes to communicate their plan. Under the vast jungle sky, a beetle stirs, its tiny form a stark contrast to the immensity of the green world around it. With a sudden flutter, it takes flight, a miniature silhouette against the vibrant backdrop of the jungle. The beetle soars higher, a speck against the fiery canvas of the setting sun, its journey a testament to the hidden wonders of the wild. The beetle vanishes into the sunset's embrace, leaving behind a world painted in hues of twilight and mystery, as day surrenders to night. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, painting the jungle floor in shifting patterns of light and shadow. The air is thick with the sounds of unseen creatures. Life bursts forth in every direction. A symphony of natural sounds fills the air. The jungle thrives. In the vast jungle, a lone sunbloom bathes in the radiant sunlight, its petals glistening with ethereal light. The sunbloom emits a strong light, casting vibrant shadows across the jungle floor. A slow glow radiates from the sunbloom, illuminating the surrounding jungle with a golden hue. The sunbloom, a symbol of vitality, stands as a beacon of hope amidst the dense jungle. The jungle awakens under the sun's gaze, its leaves shimmering with a vibrant, life-affirming green. The leaves rustle gently, whispering secrets of the jungle's ancient heart. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, painting dappled patterns on the jungle floor. Life flourishes in every corner, the vibrant green a testament to nature's boundless energy. A symphony of unseen creatures fills the air, their calls echoing through the verdant expanse. The jungle pulses with an untamed vitality, a world teeming with untold wonders. Sunlight pierces the dense jungle canopy, casting dappled shadows on a vibrant celebration below. Monkeys swing playfully from flower-laden vines, their joyful antics echoing through the trees. Parrots squawk merrily, their vibrant plumage a splash of color against the emerald backdrop. Even the ever-lethargic sloth breaks into a contented smile, caught up in the jubilant atmosphere. The jungle air vibrates with an almost palpable energy of pure, unadulterated joy. Sunlight bathes the jungle, illuminating the cascading waterfall. The jungle air vibrates with life. The waterfall's roar echoes through the verdant landscape. The scene is a breathtaking spectacle of nature's grandeur. Every detail shimmers with vibrant intensity. Deep in the jungle, Brian and Lisa find solace in each other's touch. The air hangs heavy, the sounds of the jungle amplify their isolation. Humidity clings to them, a tangible reminder of the wild. Unseen creatures call out, their voices weaving through the dense foliage. Sunlight barely pierces the dense jungle canopy, creating an ethereal glow. A hummingbird appears, its iridescent wings catching the light as it navigates the green maze. The hummingbird darts through the foliage, a fleeting jewel in the emerald depths. The jungle breathes, alive with hidden wonders and silent mysteries. The hummingbird disappears, leaving only the echo of its brief, vibrant dance. The jungle pulses with frantic energy, a symphony of unseen life. Beetle taxis, shimmering jewels of the jungle, dart through the emerald labyrinth. A frenetic ballet of beetle taxis weaves through the dense foliage. The air vibrates with the ceaseless activity of the jungle's tiny commuters. The jungle teems with life, a vibrant tapestry of motion and sound. A microcosm of hustle and bustle, the jungle's traffic never sleeps. In the heart of the jungle, darkness yields to a gentle, ethereal glow. Fireflies emerge, their tiny lights piercing through the shadows. The jungle transforms into a magical realm, lit by 1,000 points of light. Each flicker of light reveals hidden wonders, unseen in the daytime. The fireflies dance in harmony, their light guiding the way. The path ahead is now illuminated, thanks to the light-stealing fireflies. The jungle has transformed into a vibrant garden, a symphony of color under the sun. Lush greenery thrives where chaos once reigned, a testament to nature's resilience. Colorful flowers bloom in abundance, their delicate petals painting the scene with life. Sunlight dances through the canopy, illuminating a world reborn in beauty and tranquility. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blossoms, a fragrant promise of renewal. The jungle reveals its hidden sanctuary, a testament to nature's enduring power. Sunlight pierces the thick jungle canopy, painting the forest floor in dappled light. Creatures, once enemies, now share a moment of tranquil harmony. A vibrant tapestry of life unfolds as predators and prey coexist in rare serenity. Birds flutter overhead, their songs weaving through the stillness of the jungle. The air hums with the quiet understanding of a truce, a silent pact among the wild. Nature holds its breath, witnessing this improbable alliance under the watchful gaze of the sun. Lush greenery thrives under the sun, the jungle teeming with life. Exotic birds sing out, their calls echoing through the vibrant foliage. Waterfalls cascade into crystal-clear pools, reflecting the sky above. The jungle stands as a paradise, untouched by the outside world. Sunlight pierces the dense jungle canopy, painting the forest floor with an ethereal glow. Amidst the verdant depths, Brian and Lisa stand together, their faces radiant with joy. They stand bathed in the light, their smiles reflecting the unspoiled beauty of nature. The jungle watches silently as their happiness blossoms, a testament to their bond. Their shared smiles echo through the tranquil jungle, a harmonious blend with the symphony of nature. The jungle pulses with life, vibrant and teeming under the sun's generous gaze. Exotic birds flit through the canopy, their calls echoing through the lush greenery. Vivid flowers bloom in every hue, painting the jungle floor with nature's artistry. The sunbloom, a beacon of life, radiates warmth, nourishing the jungle's heart. The jungle air, once thick with dread, now hangs still and silent. Sunlight filters through the canopy, illuminating the tranquil undergrowth. The leaves rustle gently, a soft whisper replacing the earlier cacophony. Nature reclaims its domain, the jungle breathing a sigh of relief. An eerie calm descends, the jungle now a sanctuary of peace. The jungle awakens, alive with the symphony of exotic birds and the vibrant colors of their plumage. Monkeys roam freely, their playful antics echoing through the dense foliage. Life bursts forth in every corner of this untamed paradise. The animals are now free, the jungle theirs to command. The jungle envelops Brian and Lisa, sunlight dappling through the canopy, spotlighting their figures. Dirt and sweat streak their faces, yet their eyes shine, reflecting their heroic spirit. Amidst the wild, an aura of triumph surrounds them, their tall figures a testament to their journey. Their determined stance amidst the dense jungle shows the hero's unwavering strength. The jungle awakens, teeming with unseen life. A symphony of unseen creatures echoes through the dense foliage. Sunlight filters through the canopy, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. Life bursts forth in vibrant color and sound, reclaiming its domain. The air vibrates with the pulse of untamed nature. The jungle breathes, a living entity of unparalleled beauty and power. Amid the thick jungle, Brian and Lisa are seen, their silhouettes painted against the lush foliage. Their faces, canvases etched by time and tales, speak of countless adventures. They stand as legends now, their presence a testament to years of daring exploits. The jungle watches, a silent witness to the stories they embody. Each line on their faces, a map of trials overcome and victories celebrated. Their silhouettes merge with the jungle's embrace, becoming one with the wilderness they have conquered. The jungle stands, an eternal expanse of green under the sun. Vines hang like emerald curtains, sunlight dappling through the canopy. The air hangs heavy, teeming with unseen life. A timeless realm, unchanged and ever-present. Sunlight filters through the dense jungle canopy, casting a vibrant light upon the emerald foliage. Amidst the verdant wilderness, the sun bloom emerges, its radiant golden light a beacon of hope. Its presence defies the surrounding wilderness, a symbol of resilience and beauty. The flower radiates a warm, golden light. In the heart of the jungle, beetle taxis symbolize freedom. The beetle taxis stand as beacons of hope. The jungle echoes with the promise of liberation. The beetle taxis weave through the dense greenery. Sunlight filters through the dense jungle canopy, painting the vibrant foliage in shimmering light. The air is thick with humidity, alive with the symphony of unseen creatures. A hummingbird, a jewel of iridescence, dances through the air. The hummingbird flits, a symbol of guidance amidst the wild. The jungle breathes, teeming with unseen life, guided by the tiny, shimmering messenger. Lush greenery unfolds, sunlight painting the jungle floor in a mosaic of light and shadow. The air, thick with the scent of damp earth, whispers tales of resilience and hidden beauty. The jungle, a symbol of courage, stands defiant against the unknown. A symphony of exotic blooms fills the air, their vibrant colors a testament to life's tenacity. The dense canopy forms a protective embrace, sheltering secrets and untold stories within its depths. The jungle unfolds in an endless expanse of green, sunlight filtering through the dense canopy. Nature's symphony fills the air, a vibrant testament to the jungle's cleverness. Sunlight pierces the canopy, casting an ethereal glow upon the jungle floor. The air hangs heavy with the scent of damp earth and unknown blossoms. Whispers of unseen creatures echo through the dense foliage, a reminder of the jungle's hidden depths. The jungle teems with life, a sprawling expanse of green under the watchful sun. Sunlight paints the forest floor with a mosaic of light and shadow. The vibrant life below flourishes, a testament to nature's resilience. The jungle, once a battleground, now stands united. Each leaf, each vine, a symbol of collective strength. In this emerald realm, the spirit of teamwork reigns supreme. The jungle unfolds as an endless tapestry of green, its density a silent fortress against the outside world. Sunlight drizzles through the canopy, painting the forest floor in shifting patterns of light and shadow. Each leaf and vine vibrates with an untamed energy, a hidden pulse felt more than seen. The jungle stands as a living monument, its silence speaking volumes of resilience and raw power. Hidden deep within, a world of untold stories waits to be discovered, each secret guarded by the impenetrable foliage. The air hangs heavy with the promise of life, a symphony of unseen creatures orchestrating the rhythm of the wild. The jungle unfolds, a sea of green stretching to the horizon. The air vibrates with the calls of unseen creatures, a symphony of the wild. Sunlight filters through the thick leaves, painting the forest floor in dappled patterns. The jungle breathes, alive and untamed. The camera continues, revealing the vastness of the unexplored jungle. As day descends upon the jungle, long shadows begin their dance. The jungle awakens with the symphony of unseen creatures. The dense foliage darkens as the last rays of sunlight fade. Humidity envelops the jungle, the air heavy and still. The jungle holds its breath, awaiting the mysteries of the night. Twilight descends, casting long shadows across the dense jungle foliage. As the moon ascends, its ethereal glow bathes the jungle in a mystical light. The jungle awakens as nocturnal creatures stir, their calls echoing through the night. Under the watchful gaze of the moon, the jungle transforms into a realm of mystery and enchantment. Night descends upon the jungle, and the stars emerge, piercing the dense canopy with their celestial light. The darkness of the jungle floor is contrasted by the canopy of stars, as their light filters down, illuminating the dark world below. The jungle remains silent, and the stars remain shining as the world sleeps beneath their gaze. The stars twinkle, a reminder of the vastness and mystery of the universe, as the jungle sleeps, unaware of the celestial ballet above. The stars shine and the jungle breathes, as the world continues its cycle of life and death, under the silent watch of the cosmos. The jungle basks in tranquil stillness. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. A symphony of unseen creatures fills the air, their hushed calls echoing through the silent expanse. The air hangs heavy with humidity, a palpable stillness enveloping every leaf and vine. A vibrant butterfly flits through the undergrowth, its wings a fleeting burst of color against the muted greens. The jungle holds its breath, a realm of hidden wonders awaiting discovery.